Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. We are talking about preparation of alcohol and phenol. So I have already studied about the preparation of alcohols and talking about preparation of phenols. And in my previous class, I have already told about the preparation of phenols from haloarenes, from diazonium salt, and so on. And today we will talk about preparation of phenol from cumene. Cumene, it is also called as 2-phenyl propane, 1, 2 and 3. So at second carbon, phenyl group is present, so it is called as 2-phenyl propane also, or cumene. Such cumene when oxidized with air, that is self-oxidation takes place from oxygen present in the atmosphere, changing into cumene hydroperoxide. It is called as cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide, when heated in the presence of acid with water, in the presence of suitable acid, then it takes place in dissociation as such one, and forming phenol as well as acetone. So this method is suitable for the preparation of phenol as well as acetone both. For the preparation of acetone, when we will talk about preparation of acetone or ketone, then this method is also applicable. As I think so, there will be no problem to prepare acetone from this process also. Not only phenol. The language is used when cumene is oxidized with atmospheric air, forming cumene hydroperoxide, which on boiling with water in acidic medium, mixture of phenol as well as acetone provides us. Any problem? As I think so, there will be no problem at all. And it is very important question, very important point in chemistry. Now we will talk about physical properties of alcohol phenol. Physical properties of alcohols and phenols are same like other group members, such as physical properties. About physical properties, with increasing number of carbon, boiling point and melting point of alcohols increases respectively. Lower members are easily miscible in water. Why so? Because alcohol is alcohol is eligible to prepare to form with hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is formed with in water and alcohols. So lower members are easily miscible in water. With increasing number of carbon, solubility of alcohols in water decreases respectively. I have already told you that when same number of carbons having same number of carbon in various in different in organic compound having similar functional group but various structures, then the compounds are present in straight chain have highest boiling point or melting point. With increasing branches, boiling point decreases respectively. This point I have already explained in haloalkanes group also. So it is revised again that how boiling point and melting points are determined in various compounds. If we will talk about ether and alcohol, then boiling point of alcohols are comparatively larger than ether, have same number of carbon. And we will talk about chemical reactions of alcohol, phenol and ether in our next point, chemical reactions. Reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. O and H. This is ROH, means any alcohol. Oxygen and hydrogen, the bond formed between oxygen and hydrogen, it takes place in cleavage, that is in dissociation. Then various compounds are formed by such type of reaction, such as when sodium takes place in chemical reaction with alcohol. Then hydrogen gas evolves. When sodium or active metals takes place in chemical reaction, then hydrogen gas evolves like such one. It is called as sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Similarly, other metals also takes place in chemical reaction with alcohol, evolving hydrogen gas such as aluminium and magnesium, etc. Next one, acidity of alcohol. Acidity of alcohol expressed that primary alcohols are comparatively more acidic, secondary are less than primary, and tertiary alcohols are very least acidic in nature. Primary alcohols are comparatively more acidic than secondary alcohol. And secondary alcohols are two more acidic than tertiary alcohols. This is the order of acidity. Order of acidity of alcohol. Now next, we will talk about other chemical properties such as acidity of phenols in our next class. Phenols are more acidic than aliphatic alcohols. Why so? Due to their resonance structures. And about resonance structures of phenol we will explain in our next class at next day. Wait for next class to understand about region of acidic nature to be greater acidic nature in phenol. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.